Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I plan my journal to stay organized. It's a very simple spread because I have a work calendar and a personal agenda where I can track my goals, birthdays, and other things I like to plan. For this month's cover, I picked one of my favorite stickers. It says, "Stay strong," and I feel it's a phrase we all need to read every day to feel motivated and keep going. I'm not good with lettering, so I always try to keep it simple. I also added a small month calendar on the bottom. I thought it looked cute. I think journaling or planning is not only a good way to know how you're using your time, but also a way to decompress and relax. To finish the cover, I added tiny stars. The benefits of drawing or writing, even if it's something easy or basic, are very important for your overall health. For the other page, I always like to write something that complements the theme of the month. So I chose "Nothing is Impossible," with a circle full of tiny stars to match the stars from the cover. On the bottom, I wrote the year, and on top, I draw a small ribbon with the word agenda. For the second spread, I used trackers. I like to have lists of the things I want to accomplish that month. So I usually have a list of movies I want to watch or TV shows I need to watch, another one for courses I want to take, one for the content that I want to make for my Patreon, and one for the follow-ups for the month. As you can see, it's very easy to do, and it's an extra visual help to stay on top of all the things you need to achieve, besides having a regular calendar, which I have in my computer and in my phone. To finish this side of the spread, I chose the quote, "Believe you can," so I stay motivated to achieve all my goals. For the accents, I chose the same warm palette from the sticker "Stay Strong" from the cover. I hope you guys like this spread. If you have any recommendations for movies, leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on Patreon. See you next time. Bye.